Welcome to Hypothetical Travel. This is your one-day itinerary for Prague's must-see spots. Let's start our day like the locals do, with a delicious breakfast and a cup of coffee. Our destination? The exquisite Municipal House Cafe. This isn't just any cafe. It's a stunning example of Art Nouveau architecture. Imagine sipping your cappuccino surrounded by ornate chandeliers, intricate mosaics and grand murals. The Municipal House has seen it all. Built in the early 20th century, it was a place for the Czech people to celebrate their culture and identity. During Czechoslovakia's communist era, the cafe even served as a government office. Today, it's buzzing with life once more. Ready to explore? Let's go! Just steps away from the Municipal House stands the imposing Powder Tower. This Gothic gate, built in the 15th century, was once one of the 13 gates guarding the Old Town. Its name? Well, it comes from its days as a gunpowder storehouse in the 17th century. Imagine the explosions if lightning had ever struck. Today you can climb the tower for breathtaking panoramic views of Prague. But for now, let's continue our journey through the heart of the city. Our next stop takes us down Soletna Street, one of Prague's oldest and most charming streets. Get your camera ready because we're about to encounter a unique architectural gem, the house at the Black Madonna. This building is a striking example of Czech cubism, a movement that brought geometric shapes into architecture. Notice the sharp angles and the almost fragmented facade. It's a far cry from the ornate buildings we've seen so far, wouldn't you say? Inside, you'll find the Museum of Czech Cubism, where you can delve deeper into this fascinating artistic movement. But our journey through Prague's architectural wonders doesn't end here. A short walk from the house at the Black Madonna brings us to the Grand Estates Theatre. This historical landmark has been gracing Prague's streets since the late 18th century. It was a beacon of cultural enlightenment, a place where people gathered to experience the magic of theatre. And speaking of magic, the Estates Theatre has a special connection to one of the greatest musical geniuses of all time, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. It was here that his opera Don Giovanni premiered in 1787, conducted by the maestro himself. Today, the theatre continues to host performances, keeping the spirit of Mozart and the tradition of Czech opera alive. Our next stop is a feast for the senses Havel's market. This bustling open-air market has been a Prague institution since the 14th century. Imagine the sights, sounds and smells as you wander through the stalls. Looking for the perfect souvenir? You'll find it here, from traditional Czech crafts like wooden toys and puppets to beautiful glassware and jewelry. And if you're feeling peckish, Havel's market is a great place to sample some local delicacies. Trudelník, a sweet pastry grilled over an open flame and dusted with sugar, is a must-try. Next up, the Astronomical Clock. Let's continue our journey through the heart of Prague's Old Town, a true marvel of medieval engineering. This intricate clock has been keeping time since the 15th century. Every hour on the hour, crowds gather beneath the clock tower to witness its mesmerizing spectacle. As the clock chimes, figures of the apostles, death and other allegorical figures come to life, moving in a choreographed dance that represents the passage of time. Our next stop takes us into the heart of Prague's Jewish quarter, a place steeped in history and culture. Here we'll encounter the legacy of one of the world's most celebrated writers, Franz Kafka. But first, let's pause at the Spanish Synagogue, a stunning example of Moorish architecture. Its ornate interior with its gilded details and colorful mosaics will take your breath away. Now, about Kafka. Just a stone's throw from the synagogue, you'll find a statue of the writer frozen in mid-stride as if lost in thought. Kafka's works, often surreal and thought-provoking, were deeply influenced by his life in Prague. Our journey through Prague's Jewish quarter continues with a visit to the Old Jewish Cemetery, one of the city's most evocative landmarks. This isn't just any cemetery, it's a testament to centuries of Jewish history in Prague. Because of space constraints, graves were layered on top of each other over the centuries, creating a haunting landscape of leaning tombstones. As you walk among the weathered stones, take a moment to reflect on the stories they hold, the lives lived and lost within this sacred ground. No visit to Prague is complete without a stroll across the iconic Charles Bridge. This historic bridge, lined with Baroque statues, has been connecting the old town with the lesser town since the 14th century. As you cross the bridge, take your time. Admire the intricate details of the statues, each one telling a story from Prague's past. Legend has it that touching the statue of St. John of Nepomuk brings good luck. The Charles Bridge is especially magical at sunset when the city lights begin to twinkle and the Vltava River reflects the sky's warm hues. Our next stop is a testament to the power of peace, music, and the enduring legacy of John Lennon. Welcome to the John Lennon Wall. This colourful wall, covered in graffiti, lyrics, and messages of peace, became a symbol of hope and resistance during Czechoslovakia's communist era. Even though John Lennon never actually visited Prague, this wall became a place for young people to express their longing for freedom and a world united through music. Next, we walk to Újezd. Let's hop on the funicular and ascend Petřín Hill, a green oasis overlooking the city. At the top, you'll find Petřín Tower, a miniature version of the Eiffel Tower. Climb to the top for panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. Petřín Hill is also home to beautiful gardens, a mirror maze, and the charming St. Lawrence Church. It's the perfect place to escape the city bustle and enjoy a moment of tranquility. Next up, the magnificent Strahov Monastery. This 12th century monastery is home to two of the most beautiful libraries you'll ever lay eyes on. The Philosophical Hall, with its towering bookshelves and ceiling frescoes, will make you feel like you've stepped into a scene from a Harry Potter movie. And if you're feeling peckish after our walk, the Strahov Monastery has a fantastic brewery on site. Enjoy a hearty Czech meal and a refreshing beer while soaking in the monastery's peaceful atmosphere. After lunch, prepare to be dazzled as we make our way to Prague Castle, the largest ancient castle complex in the world. This sprawling complex, perched high above the city, has been the seat of Czech power for centuries. Step inside the magnificent St. Vitus Cathedral, with its soaring stained glass windows and the ornate tomb of St. Wenceslas. Marvel at the artistry of the Chapel of St. Wenceslas, a masterpiece of Gothic art. Explore the old royal palace, once home to Bohemian kings and queens. And don't miss the Basilica of St. George, one of Prague's oldest churches. As you wander through the castle grounds, be sure to visit Golden Lane, a charming street lined with tiny houses that once housed the castle guards. Legend has it that alchemists searching for the Philosopher's Stone once resided here. As our day of exploring comes to an end, it's time to indulge in the flavors of Czech cuisine. Prague offers a wide range of dining experiences, from traditional pubs serving hearty dishes to Michelin-starred restaurants pushing the boundaries of culinary creativity. For a taste of authentic Czech fare, head to U Glaubiku, an old-world pub with vaulted ceilings and a cellar, offering hearty Czech eats, brews and outdoor seats. Their goulash, served in a bread bowl, is legendary. If you're looking for a more refined dining experience, Le Field, with its innovative tasting menus, is sure to impress. And for a romantic dinner with a view, Terraza u Zlaté Studna offers breathtaking vistas of Prague Castle. Prague is a city for all seasons. Spring brings blooming gardens and pleasant temperatures. Summer fills the streets with music festivals and outdoor markets. Autumn paints the city in hues of gold and crimson, and winter transforms Prague into a magical winter wonderland. Whether you're captivated by history, architecture, art, or simply the joy of discovering new places, Prague will leave an unforgettable mark on your heart. I hope you've enjoyed this whirlwind tour of one of Europe's most captivating cities. Follow along for more travel adventures as we explore the world, one destination at a time. Please like and subscribe to Hypothetical Travel. Are you planning a vacation somewhere we haven't covered? Comment where you would like us to make a video about next.